my kitchen, and today I'm baking a 3-minute microwave mug cake for you guys. It's going to be very simple. As usual, it's going to be in one pot or one mug in this case, and it's going to be absolutely yummy. Let's just get started. The whole kitchen is smelling of chocolate right now, and I'm like a crazy fan of chocolate, so I'm not going to wait. I'm just going to dig right in. Okay. Look at it. Just look at how gooey it is. Oh. I can't eat much of it, but it's yummy. It's absolutely yummy. Just look at the moisture. Oh. Okay, so do try this mug cake out and let me know in the comment section below how it turns out to be. Also, my next video is going to be on fashion, so guys, do comment and let me know what you would want to see, nail art or my basic makeup routine. I'm going to do either of those. So comment, like and subscribe to my channel if you like these videos, and see you guys next week.